My legs.
Okay, well right now we're walking down Archbishop, I believe it is. Archbishop Street, something like that. And we just passed the Ayala Center, and we're walking towards IT Park here in Cebu City. Yeah. Still working our way to IT Park. Looks like we made it. I don't know the rest of the lyrics to this song because I don't ever listen to Barry Manilow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Looks like we made it to IT Park, that is. Actually, I thought it was further up, but I guess this whole thing is considered. Oh yeah.
That's what I told you. They made their own name.
Okay. So we've been in IT Park for approximately 45 seconds. What do you think so far, hon?
Just the one, we're just in front of the building. Not even reach the gate. So.
But already I can tell. If you're hungry, you can come here and find stuff to eat. So what do you think so far, hon?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice area. Now I have no idea where we're going. We're just kind of walking around.
As they said, IT Park, so we don't know where to start.
No, not at all. I guess we'll just kind of wing it. And shoot from the hip, I guess you might want to say. So we just came in back there. It's kind of like the main entrance with the arch that goes over. It says IT Park. Now we're just making our way through. Slowly but surely. So I guess we're now at the Ayala Mall Central Block. Looks kind of familiar. Oh, I guess he's waiting for me. So as we stand on this corner, I will just do a kind of a slow scan of the area. So where do you want to go, hon? You want to walk around this way?
I want to at least feel something cold because I'm sweating.
Okay.
My clothes is wet already.
All right. Let's walk down a little ways and see what we can find. Just came out of that Ayala Mall Central Block building. Not too much going on in there. It's not very big. I'd say about 3 or 4 small floors with a few shops here and there. We just went in there to get something to drink, and that's pretty much it. Yeah. Jollibee. Looks like
Makati City.
Yeah. I was looking up in the sky. Looks like it's getting kind of dark over there. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. I mean, just outside of this property, or whatever you want to call it, this area, it's kind of dirty. And then you come in here and it's like instant transformation. It's like you go into the Twilight Zone.
It's like also in the Makati area.
Yeah.
It was surrounded by small blah blah blah.
Okay.
I don't say anything.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we know what you mean. And then you come inside these little areas here, and they're just super pristine and nice, well kept. Okay.
Those ones, I remember those small shops.
Here?
There, along the road.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
This is where the Indian girl and another man.
Oh, okay. Hunger Busters. Buffalo Bread's hot wings. I bet it's good. It looks good. I mean, from the outside. Yeah, just a place people come to hang out, and
If you have a date,
if you have a date like I do,
you can bring it here.
yeah.
But what's your bag?
Yeah. It's like a nice peaceful area. Okay, that's pretty much it for the IT Park walk. We're going to go ahead and find a cab and head over to our hotel or wherever. But we're going to go ahead and finish up here. We'd like to both thank you for coming along, and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.